Why were the Chicago 7 jury verdicts so debated? Imagine being in a courtroom where the stakes are not just about legal rules but about the future of social protest and political change. That's what made the verdicts in the Chicago 7 trial so controversial. During the late 1960s, America was bursting with protests against the Vietnam War, civil rights issues, and government authority. The Chicago 7, a group of activists, faced charges of conspiracy and inciting riots at the 1968 Democratic National Convention. The trial became a symbol of the larger fight between a rebellious youth and the established power structure. One major reason the verdict sparked so much debate was the behavior of Judge Julius Hoffman. Many saw him as biased and unfair. He was known for treating the defendants harshly, especially Black Panther leader Bobby Seale. Seale was famously bound and gagged in court after a heated outburst, which many viewed as an abuse of judicial power. This conduct made people question whether the trial was truly fair or just a show to silence dissent. Another factor was the political nature of the case. The government wanted to portray the activists as dangerous criminals trying to incite violence. But many believed the trial was more about punishing political opposition than about legal justice. The defendants were seen as symbols of the 1960s protest movement, fighting for civil rights and peace. The prosecution's focus on conspiracy and incitement blurred the line between lawful protest and criminal activity. The jury's decisions also fueled debate. They acquitted the defendants of conspiracy but convicted of crossing state lines to incite riots. This split verdict reflected how hard it was to prove intent in such a politically charged environment. The convictions were later overturned on appeal because of judicial bias and procedural errors. This added to the controversy, making many question whether justice was truly served. The trial also became a cultural mirror of the era's conflicts. It symbolized the clash between youthful idealism and the authority of the government. The courtroom scenes, with protesters and colorful personalities, captured the spirit of rebellion. The verdicts were seen as more than just legal decisions. They represented the larger societal struggle of the 1960s. Looking back, the debate over the jury verdicts shows how deeply intertwined law, politics, and social change were during that time. The Chicago 7 trial wasn't just about a court case. It was about the fight for free speech, civil rights, and the right to protest. It remains a powerful reminder of how social movements challenge the status quo and how justice can sometimes be shaped by the social climate of the moment.